Adds volume, body and shine to hair. Smooths and detangles for better control. Quick drying formula contains a protective sunscreen. Strengthens and protects hair against heat and chemical damage. Repairs dry, split ends, humidity resistant. Sophisticated formula which instantly transforms liquid into a rich, whipped foam. Control of a gel, with the body and hold of a mousse. Top reviews from the United States. I love this. I love this styling foam. I actually use this after I curl my hair to keep the curls tight all day like hairsprays when my hair is dry. It works for me that way. It is not heavy and still gives you that crunchy look. Stops frizzy hair. This product works amazing on my natural hair. After I wash and condition, I apply to my hair wet. Blow dry and then flat iron to style. Stops frizz and all. Love, love, love this product.